I'm on a website called Mathigon.org, an excellent website, free, safe, and I have logged into my account. There's an app called Polypad, which is part of Mathigon. I want to click there. And what I would like to do is use the geometry tools, these construction tools, and a polygon tool to inscribe a regular hexagon inside a circle. So we want to start by constructing the circle. However, before we do that, let me show you this canvas. There are several options for the canvas. The default is an infinite size canvas, which you can scroll up, down, left, and right. Or there's the fixed canvas, and then there's the notebook canvas. I'm going to use the fixed canvas for the purpose of this particular construction. And I'm going to go down here to the text box. It defaults with black. You can change it to any color you want. And I am going to put my title. And then we can change the size of the text. So with my pencil tool, using this ruler for a straight line, and I think I'll use gray for the purpose of my construction marks, I'm going to start with just a typical line segment like that. And I am going to decide where my circle center is going to be. And I'm using this line segment tool just for the endpoint. There's the center of my circle. Now I want to go over to my tools, under utensils, grab the compass. And I'm going to notice it snaps right in place right there. And I can size this down by using this point, making it the circle whatever size that appeals to me. So there's the circle that I'm interested in. To make my circle, I'm going to press on this point of the pencil. And there's my circle. And I'm just going to move my compass out of the way for a moment. These 2 points where the circle went through the original line, these are points of interest, these 2 intersection points. So I'm going to mark them. These are 2 of the 6 vertices of my regular hexagon. Now, using the same compass setting, I'm going to reposition my compass so the center of my compass is here and draw another circle. And I'll just change the color just for the purposes of what we're doing. So that circle I just drew is congruent to my original circle, and I'm going to do the same thing right here. Construct a 3rd circle, again congruent to the original circle. Now you'll notice where these 2 new circles intersected my original circle. These are points of interest. So we are going to mark them. These points of intersection are going to be added to the original 2 points, and we now have our 6 vertices of our hexagon. So to construct the hexagon, I could use the segment tool. I could use the pen tool with the ruler, but I could also use this polygon tool, which is called custom, and bring it into my workspace. And you'll notice it has 5 vertices that come as default. If you tap anywhere, you can get a 6th vertex. So now I want to just drag these points on the custom polygon tool so that they snap to what are going to be the 6 vertices of my inscribed hexagon. There is my hexagon. Now, how could I prove that this is a regular hexagon? I could use my compass and I could mark each length to prove that this is indeed equilateral. All sides are congruent. I could also use my protractor tool and measure that every angle in this regular hexagon is congruent at 100, and it measures 120 degrees.